Okay, so hello guys, this is my project Tic-tac-toe for CS50 AI. Um, for this project we're just gonna make a game and I'm gonna show you very quick how it works and then we're gonna check how we did the code. So let's do it. And here we got. So these aren't errors, we're just gonna play as X and let's see. So uh, the main goal is that we cannot win. It would be impossible because the AI is more intelligent. Um, what we can is just tie or lose. So yeah, we have here. Let's play as O. Yeah, I lose again. Yeah, I lose again. I'm gonna play a last time. Maybe here. Maybe here. And see, you just tie. So that would be for this project. And now we're gonna go through the code very quick. So for example, in this function player, we're just gonna return the player who has the next turn on a board. For that, I'm just gonna go for each row and element in the board and check how many empty cells we got. If all of them are empty, we're just gonna return X because it's returned from X. If not, we're just gonna make this model 2 and return X if it's even, and if it's not, it's gonna be return of 0. For this function actions over the board, we're just gonna return a set of all possible actions available in the board. And yeah, so here I go through all the board cells, and if it's empty, we're just gonna return it. Return this list of actions. For this result function, returns the board that results from making the move. It's quite straightforward. For this function winner, we're just going to check if there's a winner in a diagonal or in a row or in a column. This is hard-coded. And for the terminal function, we're just gonna return true if the game is over, false otherwise, with the help of the winner board, with the winner function. The utility function is gonna return 1 if X has won the game, -1 if 0 has won, and 0 if it's a tie. And this is my implementation for Minimax. This is very important. Here we got the max player and the min player. And I did this algorithm with the help of alpha beta pruning, and that we have here. This is very quite sophisticated because we can prune all the childs that doesn't matter anymore, aren't relevant. And yeah, and we're just gonna return the best option for Minimax. So that would be thank you very much, and see you next time.